Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in its class. The Salomon X Ultra 3 Wide Mid GTX. This hiking boot is a fantastic blend of durability, comfort, and performance, designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts who demand reliable gear on challenging trails. The Salomon X Ultra 3 Wide Mid GTX stands out immediately due to its mid-height design, offering excellent ankle support without sacrificing flexibility. This makes it ideal for hiking on rugged terrains where stability is key. Whether you are trekking through rocky paths or muddy trails, this boot keeps your foot secure and protected. One of the defining features of this boot is its Gore-Tex membrane, which guarantees waterproof performance. This means you can confidently step through wet conditions or unexpected puddles without worrying about soggy feet. The waterproof capability does not come at the expense of breathability, thanks to the advanced synthetic materials used in the outer shell, which keep your feet dry and comfortable during extended hikes. The sole is made of durable rubber, specifically engineered to provide excellent grip on various surfaces. From slippery rocks to loose gravel, the aggressive tread pattern ensures solid traction, reducing the risk of slips and falls. The wide fit of this model accommodates a broader foot shape comfortably, making it a great choice for those who often struggle to find hiking boots that don't feel too tight. The closure system features traditional laces, allowing you to easily adjust the fit to your preference. This lace-up design is straightforward but effective, ensuring that your foot remains snug inside the boot, enhancing overall control and comfort. Another important aspect is the lightweight construction of the Salomon X Ultra 3 Wide Mid GTX. Despite its rugged appearance and protective features, this boot does not weigh you down. It allows for quick, nimble movements on the trail, which can be a huge advantage during long hikes or fast-paced treks. Inside, the boot offers cushioned support that helps reduce fatigue. The midsole absorbs shocks well, which is essential when navigating uneven terrain or descending steep slopes. Comfort is further enhanced by the boot's ergonomic design, which contours to the shape of your foot, providing a natural fit that encourages longer wear without discomfort. While the boot is built for performance, it also carries a sleek, modern look. The gray and black color scheme is versatile and stylish, suitable for both outdoor adventures and casual wear. It's a versatile boot that bridges the gap between technical functionality and aesthetic appeal. In summary, the Salomon X Ultra 3 Wide Mid GTX is a highly capable hiking boot that combines waterproof protection, durable materials, wide fit comfort, and excellent traction. Whether you're an experienced hiker or someone stepping into the world of trail walking, this boot offers the support and reliability needed to take on a variety of outdoor conditions. If you're looking for a boot that balances performance, comfort, and style, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, happy hiking!